Look, if you have low revenue, okay, and you have less than a 700 credit score, I'm going to show you how to get a business line of credit out of American Express with 0% interest. All right. Now, let's look at their business lines of credit. See, the situation is they'll give you from 2,000 up to 250,000, right? And this is the basic requirements, all right? At least 18, your business, been in business for at least a year, FICO score is at least a 660. Now, many people think that when they're going out the business line of credit with American Express, you have to have a 700. That's not true. Also, you do not have to have an account with them to get a line of credit. So here's their thing. You have to have a bank that they can actually attach to using like decision logic or software like that to verify the income in your bank account. Okay. So they want to verify that. Now, my thing is the best one that you could have is PayPal. And I'll tell you why in a minute. But as you can see, your revenue is only $3,000. So you don't have to have a whole lot of revenue. Now, in reference to you can actually do a pre-approval with this here, right? Okay, so you do a pre-approval with this. What ends up happening, if you actually accept what they offer, they're going to do a hard pull on the credit. Now remember, I did tell you all, I'm going to show you how to get a line of credit with 0% interest. All right, so stick with me so you can hold me accountable for what I'm telling you. But here's the thing about it with American Express, all right, now that you know that, in reference to the interest rate, their interest rates goes anywhere from 3% up to 18%. And it's based off of 6 months, 12 months, 18 months, and 24 months in interest, right? Now, for most people, they would go for that business line of credit. But this is how I would play it. I would do this. Instead of going for the business line of credit, I would go for their business credit cards. And these are the top business credit cards I would go for. And the reason is because they offer 0% interest, right? For 12 months. So there's no interest on your purchases. Now, this isn't for balance transfers, but I'm going to show you something so you understand why I say this. If you go this route, okay, and use the credit cards for whatever you're going to use it for, then it's much easier. That way, you're not being charged interest. Plus, if you want the business line of credit, you can still get the business line of credit as well. All right, you can actually double up. But here's the play that I would do. Once I'm approved for this business line of credit, this is what I would do. I would sign up with a company like Melio that actually sends out paper checks to a vendor or something like that. For some of you all, you may understand where I'm going with this. Positioning somebody else that has a company and you pay them with that 0% interest credit card. And they can pay you back with cash, giving you the cash from that transaction, right? Now, that's one way of doing it. Then you also have plastic, okay? And so you can also put your business credit card on plastic as well, all right? And do the same. Now, some people say that they have had challenges in the past with plastic and American Express. Now, I don't know in reference to vendors and stuff. You can also reach out to plastic and they'll tell you if they accept American Express as well. Now, here's the thing about it, especially when you need to liquidate. Now, here's something I'm going to tell you. If you're going to be liquidating an account with American Express, all right, you got to make sure it's a legitimate business, okay, a legitimate registered business, all right? Because if you don't, what they'll end up doing, they will end up locking up the card. And then they would do a financial review on you. So that means that you would have to produce taxes, you would have to produce pay stubs and invoices. So you have to be very careful with doing this strategy. Here's what I would do. If you have PayPal, right? I would also go for PayPal working capital because, as you can see here, all they want you to do is have a PayPal business account or Premier account for 90 days or more. All right. Then the minimum annual income, look at it, is 20,000 with the Premier account and 15,000 with the business account, right? So you're not having to make a lot of money. So that way you can continue to stack your paper by you getting the business line of credit with American Express, then getting that business blue credit card with 0% and liquidating that card with Melio or with Plastic, and then getting this working capital loan as well. So you have access to all. You should be able to raise, I would say, anywhere from 35 to $50,000 doing this process if you actually have real revenue coming into the business. Now, here's the thing about it with PayPal. I would tell you that usually they're gonna they're not tripping off the credit score with this here working capital. It's the business loan that they actually look at the credit score. Okay, so that's something you have to just keep in mind. But one of the other things is that usually, like with PayPal usually gives you up to 30% of what your actual revenue is. All right. Now, for those of you that do have bad credit and you don't have a lot of revenue going into the business account, like I said, 20,000, $1,500 a month is not a lot of revenue. And since $1,500 to 3,000 not a lot of revenue, then you also may want to check out 100 to 3,000, not a lot of revenue. Okay. And you may not have the best credit. Then you may want to check out Fundo. Okay. So with Fundo, they'll give you that line of credit. Okay. Up to $10,000 on merchant cash advance. All right. Now they don't operate in New York and California, but these are the type of businesses they do work with. So if you're in this here one of these industries, this may be an opportunity for you as one other place that I would tell you to check out if you have bad credit but you have revenue going into the business. I would tell you look at Giggle Finance because they offer line loans up to $5,000. Now, here's the thing about it: no credit check. Long as you've been in business for at least 90 days of deposits, they're willing to work with you. Okay. Minimum, I would tell you again, is about 12 to $1,500 in order to go for a company like this. One other place that will actually give you a loan when you have bad credit without doing a hard pull on the credit is Fair Figure. And as you can see, they actually will give you two trade lines that are actually going to report to the business credit bureaus. They're going to give you a trade line for signing up to monitor your business credit and your personal credit. They'll give you a trade line for that to put reports on the business credit file. Then they're also going to give you a trade line if you're making at least $2,500. Then they will be able to give you a loan as well in the business, even if you have bad credit. All right. So these are the strategies I would take to raise capital, even if I have bad credit, in order to get funding. If you have any other question about business credit funding, personal credit funding, removing negative items off the credit, click the link in the description. Schedule a one-on-one consultation.